In this complete section, we are going to work on final part for admin dashboard. That is, we will work on all the orders, then we will be working on all reviews, and finally, here inside the main content, dynamically we are going to render all the data. So first, we will be working with this all orders functionality, and we are going to write the function for fetching all the orders API. For that, I will open admin slice.js, and inside this, we will copy this complete function and below this paste. Here, I will write the comment as fetch all orders. Function name, I will be passing fetch all orders. Action type also, I'm just going to pass fetch all orders. And while fetching the orders, we do not need any data. So I will be passing underscore. And from backend, I'm just going to open order routes. And for fetching all admin orders, we have given this route. And we are using get request. I will copy this complete thing. And inside this, I will be pasting. And we do not need any data. So I'm just going to remove. And this will be our get request. And finally, from this function, we will return data. I will open this function, and inside this we are having success, we are having orders, and we are having total amount. So whenever we are fetching all the data and displaying orders data inside the table, we do not need to access success. We will only access orders and total amount. So inside the initial state, I will be creating the state orders, and for this I will assign empty array because I can have multiple orders. I will change the error message failed to fetch orders, and then I will also access total amount. I will copy and below this paste. Later on, dynamically, when we display entire content, there we will be using this total amount. Now scroll down, copy this complete builder, and below this paste. I will change the function name. I will be passing fetch all orders. Copy this same thing here. I will be pasting, and also here I'm just going to paste. Inside pending and rejected, we don't have to change anything, but here I will change the error message failed to fetch orders. And inside the fulfill state, what all I have to access? I will only access orders and total amount. So I will access this order state, and from payload I will access all the orders. Exact same thing copy. Then I will access total amount, and from payload I'm just going to access total amount. So inside this total amount I will have complete total revenue. So that is the reason once this action is fulfilled, I will set loading to false. I will access all the orders, and also I'm just going to access total amount where we have calculated complete total in the backend.